Hi there. In this video, I would like to talk about the first manifestation mistake that can mess up your thinking about the law of attraction. When a newbie starts this law of attraction thing, they want to get the biggest desires that can be on their mind. They want to manifest the Powerball lottery. They want to get their exes back in one day. They want a Lamborghini. They want to meet Rihanna. The problem is that first, you have to convince your brain that this manifestation process is really a working method in our life. So, when you start this process with a $1 billion mansion and you have $50 in your pocket, your brain and your subconscious will tell you that this is impossible and your manifestation will be impossible too. And after a few days, you will say that this law of attraction is a BS. When you step on the first steps, you have to learn a lot of new things, and you have to start it with small desires so you can see that this thing is really working. When you manifested a few small things, you will convince yourself that, whoa, this is really working, and you can go higher. Start with a small thing. Close your eyes and visualize a cup of coffee with your boss or friend or colleague. See the event like your colleague offering you a cup of coffee, hear the noise of the coffee maker, feel the fresh aroma in your nose, feel the taste of your favorite coffee. Of course, you can change the coffee whatever you like. A flower, a newspaper, a sandwich, anything you like, but the most important thing is to start with small things. This will not collide with your thoughts, your feelings, your subconscious. This is a small step, but your brain will understand that this thing is working. After a few small manifestations, you can go higher. Maybe a phone call, a text message, a meeting. But don't forget the steps so you don't give up at the starting line. Thank you for your time. See you at the next one.